Is your steering wheel shaking, or does your car pull to one side? Tie rods connect your steering rack to the wheels, directly affecting steering precision and wheel alignment. When a tie rod or tie rod end fails, you'll experience multiple steering and handling problems. Let's identify the symptoms before they become dangerous. Loose or shaking steering wheel. You may notice excessive play or a wandering feeling in the steering. The wheel might feel loose and require constant correction, especially on straight roads. Tie rods maintain a rigid connection between the steering rack and wheels, allowing precise control. When the ball joint inside the tie rod end wears out, it creates slack in this connection. The driver feels the steering wheel moving slightly side to side without the wheels responding, almost like there's a dead spot in the steering. You constantly make small corrections to keep the car going straight. This loose feeling is most noticeable at highway speeds where even small movements become amplified. The worn joint allows the wheel to move independently of steering input, making the car feel unstable and unpredictable. Knocking noises when turning. Worn tie rod ends can produce a clunk or knock, particularly when turning the steering wheel at low speeds or going over bumps. The sound comes from the joint moving around due to slack. The tie rod end contains a ball and socket joint that should move smoothly without any free play. As it wears, the ball loosens in the socket, creating gaps that allow metal-on-metal contact. The driver hears distinct clunking or knocking sounds from the front end when turning the wheel while parking or during slow-speed maneuvers. The noise also appears when driving over bumps or potholes as the loose joint rattles and bangs. Each clunk represents the worn components shifting within their excessive clearance, indicating advanced wear requiring immediate attention. Steering wheel vibration. A bad tie rod can cause vibrations in the steering wheel, often most noticeable at certain speeds. As the joint loosens, the front wheels can shake, sending that vibration up to the wheel. The worn tie rod end allows the wheel to oscillate or shimmy because it's no longer held rigidly in position. The driver feels vibrations transmitted through the steering wheel, typically appearing or worsening at highway speeds between 50 and 70 mph. The vibration might be constant or come and go, sometimes changing with different road surfaces. This shaking differs from tire balance issues because it's accompanied by loose steering feel and other symptoms. The vibration indicates the wheel is moving in ways it shouldn't, creating unstable geometry that gets worse at higher speeds. Wanders to one side. If a tie rod is bad, your alignment is off, and the car might drift to one side or feel like it doesn't track straight. You'll find yourself having to constantly steer to keep the car straight. Tie rods determine the toe angle of your front wheels, which is critical for straight-line stability. When one tie rod wears or becomes loose, it changes that wheel's angle differently than the other side. The driver must continuously correct the steering to maintain direction, especially noticeable on flat straight roads, where the car should naturally track straight. The pulling gets worse as the tie rod deteriorates. Even after alignment attempts, the car won't stay aligned because the worn tie rod keeps shifting position under driving loads. Excessive tire wear. A failing tie rod messes with wheel alignment, especially toe angle. This often leads to tires wearing out on the inner or outer edges unevenly. If you see unusual tire wear patterns, check those tie rods. Proper toe alignment keeps tires pointed straight ahead with minimal scrubbing. A bad tie rod allows the toe angle to change constantly as you drive, causing the tire to scrub sideways against the pavement. The driver might not notice anything initially, but inspection reveals one or both front tires wearing rapidly on one edge, typically the inside edge. This feathered or sawtooth wear pattern appears across the tire tread. The uneven wear shortens tire life dramatically and costs you money in premature tire replacement. Fixing the tie rod and realigning prevents further damage. Steering wheel off-center. The steering wheel may no longer center properly. It might be off-center when driving straight, or the car doesn't respond immediately when you begin to turn the wheel, indicating slack in the tie rod. When tie rods wear unevenly side to side or one becomes loose, the steering geometry becomes asymmetrical. The driver notices the steering wheel sits at an angle, maybe rotated 10 or 20 degrees left or right, even though the car is traveling straight. This happens because one wheel's toe angle has changed relative to the other. There's also a delayed response when starting to turn, because the slack in the worn tie rod must be taken up before the wheel actually begins to pivot. This delay feels like mushiness or play in the steering. Delayed steering response. The car may feel sluggish or unresponsive when turning. You turn the wheel, and there's a subtle delay or mushy feeling before the car actually starts to turn. The tie rod should provide an immediate, direct connection between steering input and wheel movement. When the tie rod end wears and develops internal play, this connection becomes indirect and sloppy. The driver turns the steering wheel but feels a dead spot or lag before the front wheels respond. The steering feels vague and imprecise, lacking the crisp, immediate feedback of a healthy system. This mushy feeling makes parking and low-speed maneuvering difficult because you can't accurately predict how the car will respond to steering inputs, requiring extra effort and larger corrections than normal. Squealing tires in turns. If the tie rod is severely out of adjustment, your front wheels may not be pointing the correct direction in a turn. This can cause a scrub or squeal from a tire, even at low speeds, due to improper alignment. During turns, both front wheels should track smoothly through arcs appropriate to their position. When a tie rod is badly worn or the alignment is severely off, one wheel fights against the turn direction. The driver hears tire squealing or scrubbing sounds during normal turns in parking lots or residential streets, even at very low speeds where tires shouldn't make noise. This indicates the tire is being dragged sideways rather than rolling freely. The improper wheel angle forces the tire to slide partially, creating the squeal and accelerating tire wear significantly.